I have some more of this, but I'll add some more. As we mentioned, brief exposure, since my hand is like a pizza oven, right? My hand is like a pizza oven hot. When I put it in there, it immediately boils the liquid nitrogen, right? And it boils away from my skin. So I get a little buffer layer, this latent frost effect. And so I'm safe for like less than a second. Longer than that, and my hand will freeze solid, like the ice we saw accumulating around the flask, right? Ice expands your cells, kills your cells. If you let your hand freeze like that, your tissue will die, and if you don't have your hand amputated, you'll get gangrene and die. Okay, so who's up? Huh? All right. All right, well, as we mentioned earlier, remember that safety briefing? That was a long time ago. Okay. We're going to simulate your hand, okay? So let's go ahead and get a couple volunteers, or one volunteer, I'm sorry, and put your hand down if you're already volunteered. Let's try to go in the back. I've been calling in the back. Man in your black jacket, would you like to volunteer? So yeah, go ahead and don some fashionable goggles and gloves. And what we're going to do is actually take this latex glove, put it in there, and freeze it solid. Now, do you have any anger right now? Anger issues? Oh, that would really help. Can you get some anger issues? Oh, go ahead. Get the other glove. It's not nice. Okay. Now, first, it's always important in science to do a control experiment where you do the experiment without the variable in question. So step right up so we can see. And crush that glove right up. Boring. Yeah, see, that's just the glove, right? It didn't work at all. So let's go ahead now and go ahead and dip it in there. Yeah, that's where the liquid air is. Yeah, just go drop it. Excellent. And I'll push it in and we'll let it freeze up. Now this could be your hand, right? Freezing the water in the cells, bursting them and killing the tissues. Right? This is much longer than is safe. Okay, it's freezing solid. Now I'm going to give it to you. You're going to stand again, just like you are. That's perfect, so there we can see. And you're going to dredge up as much aggression as you can. Crush it up, okay? All right. All right, here we come. Move it. Frozen. This could be your hand. All right, go ahead. Oh, this could be your hand. Very good. Yeah. Excellent. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Excellent. Thank you very much. Good. Yeah. And so now, because this isn't actually living tissue, it's just latex. It doesn't have water in it. It actually just goes back to being latex. That's better, if you like. So that's okay. But if your hand, not so much. Do you remember this can? Yeah. Remember how I always try to remember and don't always? Well, I did. We've learned a lot. We actually learned enough to re-expand this. So I'm wondering if anybody has an idea how we might re-expand it without a